Two things. One, we're gonna make some food. Two, I'm probably gonna have another one of these. That's two things. All right. Let's cook some food. Fried PB&J tonight, because the sun's going down.
Yeah.
That's Matt. You gotta start with the bread. Start with bread. We're healthy people, so honey wheat.
And your cooking oil.
Gotta have that, or else how are you gonna fry it? How are you gonna deep fry it if there's no cooking oil? We're just gonna, you gonna put that on the flat top? I don't think so. It's about heavy cream.
It's about heavy cream.
Alright, because that's gonna be fun here when you mix that with the little egg. Because we're gonna put a little pancake mix in the flour.
To give it that nice breakfast pow.
Probably. It sounds right. In my opinion, it sounds right.
You could deep fry peanut butter and jelly after watching this video anytime. Let's deep fry peanut butter and jelly without
the peanut butter
and the jelly.
Okay, so we need like two of those. Yeah, we need like a thing for the eggs and the milk and that shit for the flour. Mix them bowl, bitch. Take this. You gotta take this bitch ass egg right here. Basically, I told this egg, you gotta take out the trash before I get home today. I got home and the egg, it didn't take out the trash, so I was like, alright egg, this is what we gotta do. Like I told you to take out the trash. You're my breakfast now, bitch. Eat your children. We've got this egg here, and we're gonna add this heavy cream. There you go. Boom, baby. You wanna break that yolk? Just really get it in there with that heavy cream, you know. Get something that's just gonna turn into a glue for that PB&J. I think that'll do, pig. That'll do. Take that good old flour. Take that flour. That's gonna get started on the sandwich. Oh God, Jesus Christ. This is a good recipe to use that top piece of bread, that loaf piece, because it closes up really well. Never had a fried PB&J, but if this goes well, and somebody literally just tries to take credit for this, I'll fist fight somebody over this. I'll meet you in the street and I'll fist fight you over this if you want to claim this like you did it first, because you didn't. I'll fight you in the street. I don't care if it's at Target, Publix, Best Buy, Walmart, Aldi. I'll fight you outside of Kohl's. I'll fight you outside of Ross. Dress for less. God bless it. I don't actually kill you in that parking lot. Bars. I got them out of nowhere. How crazy is that? PB&J is holy. Okay.
All that's left is to flip you like an omelet.
Oh, this is the part that I want to do so I can get my hands dirty. Oh shit, we should get the pan ready.
I'm gonna hit mid to high heat going. You know what they do. What's done, I've seen it in Chinese cuisine to let you know when the wok is hot. Okay.
That's a terrible idea! Why would you do that?
That's how you tell, though.
Yeah, it's not funny. People, you get popped by oil? That's funny? Is that funny to you? Is that your humor? Let's dip this sandwich! Now make sure to get a nice even coating on that. Get all around the bottom there. Ooh, my hands are getting dirty. Now make sure it gets all up in there, man. All over the place there. You want to get it all over the place. All over the place there.
like a Irish Caribbean.
Oh, I don't know, child. Get this other hand in here. Pop that all around there. Make sure to get a nice layer on that. Alright. That's setting up pretty well there.
Looks pretty good.
Hey, remember, if you take credit for this, I will fight you in a parking lot.
Good.
Oh, that is enough. This is actually coming out really, really good. Boom, look at that. Deep fried PB&J, baby.
Where they do that at?
Where they do that at? You wanna know where they do that at? In this kitchen.
In the kitchen, that's where.
Yeah. Man, when I pick this up and spread it, that's the money shot, as they would say. You guys ready for this? Oh, this is really hot, so get your shots now so I can put it down. We did something here today. Quality content right here.
We got people on the
Oh, we got movement outside. All right, everybody get out! Everybody get out of here! Let's go!